It's so nice to be here and it's so nice to see all of you. Unang-una ay gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa alumni batch 78 and 79, I'm sorry. Tao lang po. 79 and batch 83, maraming salamat for inviting me here. And nakikita ko, marami sa inyo ang in love. Sino ang in love dito? Ayun si Ma'am, ang grupo ng mga teachers doon, in love. Kulang-kula si Ma'am, oh. Anyway, since malapit na ang Valentine's Day, gusto ko kayong handugan ng isang awitin na magpapa-inlove sa inyo lalo. Lahat. Please sing with me, okay? I'm sure alam na alam niyo to. You're the one that never lets me sleep.
Gusto naman itong binigyan na trabaho ng kapatid mo.
Down to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't really see. With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy.